I want to show you how you can create a very easy thumbnail. And I mean, by easy, I mean this couldn't be any easier. And these very, very simple thumbnails are the ones that are literally blowing up right now on YouTube. They're the ones that people want to click on. So if you want to create videos that are going to grow your channel and your audience, those are the ones to create. About very simple thumbnails, this is what I mean. I'm going to show you exactly some examples so you know what I'm talking about. So if you take this one, the thumbnail is literally a screenshot of the video. If you go to Rob the Maritimer, same thing. If you check his videos, so we'll go here and you'll see that a lot of his thumbnails are simply a screenshot of the video, and he's adding some text on the photo. It looks super clean. It looks very relatable because you see a real photo of a human. There's no like there's no editing in the sense of the photo is not changed. It's simple, so it makes it even more relatable. It makes you want to click on the video, on the thumbnail, to check the video because the way the thumbnail is presented. Same here, super relatable. If you take some of his thumbnails here, if you go to videos, David Boland, same thing. You're gonna have like a lot of his videos are gonna be, see, it's a screenshot of a sequence of the video and he's adding some text and it looks great. It's simple, it's not overdone. Super relatable. That's the main thing. I think people want things that look real. They don't want thumbnails that are going to be overworked with lots of effects, like a video that a thumbnail that's going to be overdone, doesn't look realistic. You don't necessarily want to click on that. Same thing. I'm going to give you more examples because I do have more. This one, same thing. It's a photo of the video and then a little bit of text added to that. But as you can see here too, so most of the thumbnails that are really doing great, I think now, are just a photo of the video. It's nothing overdone, nothing hard to do. Everybody can do it. That's the same thing. I mean, that's a news.ca, ctvnews.ca, that's famous. Here too. So I'll show you exactly how you can do that super easily. So I've got some videos that are ready right here. So I'm going to take one. Honestly, I'll just make sure there's no volume. We don't want the volume, so volume down. The volume doesn't show, that's perfect, so it doesn't matter. But here, let me pause it. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna take this one. Okay, I want the snipping tool. So you probably already have it, but this one, it's the snipping tool. It's called. Very simple. So you just go here, new, and you're just gonna select the photo that you want, the screenshot. So let's say I want this. Okay, I want this, and I'm gonna save it. So you're gonna save that. I'll call it, well, it's called, it's the latest download, so I'll find it pretty easily. So this is it. It's done. So you have it ready. So you can close that one. we can go back here. And I was right here. Let's go back to that one, to this one. And you'll go to Canva. I like to use Canva. It's super easy to use. You can use any other app that you feel comfortable with to create thumbnails, but I'll show you how easy it can be with Canva. So you go to your YouTube thumbnails right here. And what we're going to do first is so we have that ready. You want to add an upload. So we're going to upload a file, and we want to upload the download, the last download we have, which is that one, the screenshots. So here it is. Let's put it like that. Okay, so we want to work with this. Okay, so we'll put it here, and you just like extend it so it takes the entire page, however you want it, like that. And and here you're gonna add the text. Very simple. So let's say you want to add, we're going to add another font. Let's put another font. And again, I'm going to put that one. I like to put an effect with the shadow right here. And I like the color to be black, the background. And this to be white, because I mean, that's what's being seen everywhere. So let's make what works. And you can say here to create these thumbnails. And you know what? Like I'm gonna add a YouTube logo because I like to be very clear on what I'm on my messaging. What you can do, oh yeah, what you can do as well, you can go to background remover. So we'll do that. So okay, the background is removed. Let's move that one here too. And then I'll add the photo again. So what I'll do, I'll go to upload, add the photo again, right here. Let's put it in the middle right here. We're gonna extend it here, here, and right here, and right here. I want to put that one. This one, I'm going to position it at the front. So what you will do, let's move that layer, and you want to bring it forward. So now it's at the front. Let's put that one back where it should be, like here. This one, okay, so this one is good. So now what you're going to do is put the text over here, and you want to put that one here. Let's try to put it exactly at the front. Here you go, like that. And you can put it here. Let's make it a little bit bigger. And we're gonna move the photo, or yeah, this photo. Let's make it here. I'm doing it live with you guys, so you see exactly how to do it. So we have that here, and we're gonna position forward. So now it's in front of the text. So okay, we're good. So that's at the front. Create these thumbnails. Let's put it right here. But I guess people can read, right? I mean, we know what it is. Yeah, like that. Okay, create these thumbnails. You can leave it like that if you want, that's okay. If you want to play on the position of everything, you can go ahead here and you go to layers. Let's say you want to change that one. You want to make it the offset a little bit like bigger here. Direction, I like it this way. This way. The blur doesn't matter. Transparency, like that. And we are good. And I like to add an element so it's very clear. I'm going to put a YouTube logo right here. And here we have it. You can change the color if you want as well. You can edit right here. So if you go to edit and you can adjust, you can play with the brightness, the contrast, so it pops even more, the vibrance, and of course the saturation. So let's keep it like that. And you can save it. And that's it. So you save it in JPEG. You can increase the quality right here and download, and you are good to go. Create these thumbnails. And I was done with just a screenshot of my video. How simple that was. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. If it was, please don't forget to give me a thumb up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free and it's going to help me. And if you want to get some new tips and tricks on growing your YouTube channel, just don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll drop a new video next week. See you guys.